Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain how to concatenate in Excel. Okay, so this is example which has of column 1 as a first name, column B as a middle name, and column C as a last name. So I'm going to consolidate as a one name field in column D. Okay, is equal to concatenate first name, comma, middle name, comma, last name, and close. That is all. But if you notice, there is no space between Jeffrey, H, and Fadl. Okay, so to add a space, what you have to do is simply edit the formula by double click. Okay, after comma, add double quotes, comma. Between these double quotes, you have to add a space. Even you can add any characters in this between the double quotes, which will be printing. Okay, so here I'm adding one more space, comma. Okay, enter. Now you can see the first name and middle name and last name has been concatenate combined properly. So all you have to do is copy the same formula, go to the last row and paste the same formula, which will be reflect throughout the sheets. That is all. If any clarification, please let me know. Thank you for watching the video.